There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best link building strategy will vary depending on the nature of your business and your target audience. However, there are a few general tips that can help you get started. 1. Outreach to other businesses in your industry. Reach out to other businesses and offer to collaborate on a project or piece of content. It is a great way to get high-quality links from relevant websites. 2. Guest blogging on relevant websites. It is a great way to get your name and your business's name out there while also building links to your website. Make sure to only guest blog on high-quality websites relevant to your industry. 3. Broken link building. Broken link building is a process whereby you find broken links on relevant websites and then contact the website owner to let them know and offer to provide a replacement link. It is a great way to get high-quality links from relevant websites. 4. Brand mentions. Link building. Brand mentions. Link building involves reaching out to website owners with resource pages and asking to be included. It is a great way to get high-quality links from relevant websites. 5. Infographic link building. Infographic link building involves creating stunning infographics based on the data where you want to get links. Then, reach out to website owners to ask them to link to them. 6. Social media backlinks. Social media link building involves using social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook to build links to your website. It is a great way to get high-quality links from relevant websites. 7. Linkbait. Linkbait is a process whereby you create content that is designed to be link-worthy and then reach out to other websites in your industry to ask them to link to it. It is a great way to get high-quality links from relevant websites. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.